Here's how to switch from premium to free on TurboTax. So there are two different premium products on TurboTax. One is the do-it-yourself product and one is the Expert Assist. Now you can see which one you're on in the price preview in the upper right. So if you're on a premium, you're going to see that it's $149 or $109 something right here, and it's the do-it-yourself premium, which you can convert back to free. The Expert Assist mode will show you how to go back to free, but you will have to clear and start over if you're in that mode or that product. So in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see this switch products area. And when we drop that down, we're always going to have upgrade, of course, and then we have downgrade and clear and start over. So you can click the downgrade button. If you're on premium, or if you're on the Expert Assist mode, you're also going to see the downgrade button. The difference is the do-it-yourself premium will let you downgrade to the TurboTax Free Edition. And 37% of people can file for free, but you can always downgrade to free. And then as you're filling out your taxes, if you encounter a tax situation that TurboTax says you have to upgrade for, you can just pick the next cheapest option. And it's not premium, it would be deluxe, I think. And so from here, you would just scroll down and then there's a downgrade to free edition right here. Now, if you're on that Expert Assist mode, and I'll show you really quick in the upgrade section, there's this do-it-yourself mode tab, and there's Free Edition, Deluxe, and Premium. The real expert help is Basic, Deluxe, and Premium. So that downgrade for the Premium here would take you to the Basic, which is still $49. So to get back to free, if you're on that version of TurboTax, first, if you filled a lot out, then go down to your tax tools here on the left and go to Print Center. You're going to be able to preview your return, PDF, get a PDF, maybe even print your return so you have all that information you filled out. But then you're going to have to clear and start over, and I'll show you how to start over so you're starting on the TurboTax Free Edition. So we would click Clear and Start Over. This is going to clear all the tax data and literally start fresh. And so we clear and clear, and then we're going to go back to the home screen, or the very first screen in kind of the do-it-yourself taxes process here. So she's going to be waving at you, and then you say, okay, I got it. And now we don't want to check mark anything here because this is just TurboTax wanting to recommend us a product based on what we put in here. So we hit continue, and we say we're comfortable doing our own taxes. That's how you get on that do-it-yourself tab. Now we hit continue again, and TurboTax is going to recommend that we could start for free. It's saying maybe we can file a simple return, and you can always upgrade. So I always start for free on my taxes, and then if I need to upgrade, I'll upgrade later. So we start for $0, and now we start to answer questions appropriately for our tax situation. In my case, I filed my own taxes last year, so I would click that and hit continue, and then it's going to take us back to that dashboard where we now are on the TurboTax Free Edition product. So some of you will be able to downgrade straight to free and keep your place in how far along you were in filing your taxes and filling everything out. Some of you will have to clear and start over if you were on one of those assisted modes. We look at price preview now, and it's going to say the do-it-yourself free edition 2025, or whatever year it is right now that you're watching this video. Most years this process doesn't change too much. And so that is how you can switch back to free from premium on TurboTax.